Email marketing: how to market effectively without becoming spam. A great email campaign can bring you an improved reputation, increased profits, and the attainment of your goals. All it takes to achieve this is knowing the tips and tricks in this video and a little bit of hard work. Read on to find some advice to help you get started. You, or someone else, should proofread your email before you send it to customers. Ensure that it is free from typographical and grammatical errors. You should also make certain that the message flows easily. By checking these 3 issues are addressed, your email marketing will have a professional appearance. Steer clear of renting or purchasing lists to pad your email marketing database. Not only do you not know if the emails you have purchased are truly your target market, but the list can actually hurt your deliverability rates and ultimately your reputation. As much as possible, build your list organically. Make sure that you get permission from customers or potential customers before sending out your emails. If people do not want to get emails from you, they could mark your emails as spam or even ignore you altogether. There is even a chance that your email service could take you out of their system. Do what you can to make your email go into your customers' inboxes. You must work to get your email to pass ISPs and not get tagged as spam messages. If they get tagged as spam messages, your recipient may never see them. Check with customers to see if they are getting your emails, or if they're no longer interested. With the knowledge you've gained here under your belt, you should be ready to tackle the wonderful world of email marketing. The sooner you get to work, the easier it will be to meet your goals, so start drafting your plan while you have these tips fresh in your mind. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.